Hello and welcome to Logs. Today we are celebrating elegance, grace, and timeless beauty with a stunning collection of braided hairstyles for older women, especially those embracing their gorgeous gray hair. Braids aren't just for the young, they are for the young at heart too. Whether you are in your fabulous 50s, stylish 60s, or radiant 70s, there is a braid style in this video that fits your personality, your lifestyle, and your beautiful silver strands. From simple cornrows to elegant twist braids, box braids, and goddess style, these looks are not only stylish, they are also protective and easy to maintain, which makes them perfect for mature women who want to look good while keeping things easy. Grey hair brings a natural elegance to braided styles. You can keep it natural or enhance it with a blend of silver, platinum, or soft black extensions to create contrast and texture. The result is a classy and confident look that turns heads for all the right reasons. If you want to add a touch of glam, try an updo braid or accessorize your braids with hair cuffs, beads, or silk scarves. These little details elevate your hairstyle and give it a sophisticated look. Remember, beauty has no age limit. Braids are a way to express your style, so protect your hair and wear your confidence boldly. So whether you are preparing for a special event or simply want to change things up, these elegant braid hairstyles are sure to inspire. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Locks for more hair inspirations for all ages. Share this video with a fabulous woman in your life who would look amazing in these braided styles. Thank you for watching.